The kids are playing and jumping up and down. The grass it's grown and it's coming from the ground. A bee just stung me and now I got a frown. Hey, and I think it's turning brown.
Hey, it's sunny and the birds outside, and the rainbow's got a question for you.
The flowers are taking in a whole lot of air. I love the way it feels through my hair. The trees are green and I'm sitting in the chair. Hey, and I think it's turning brown.
Hey, it's sunny and the birds outside, and the rainbow's got a question for you.
Justin finished playing and running all around. He flipped a coin and it never touched the ground. I came from behind him and gobbled it down. Oh, and I think it's turning brown.